everyone, and welcome back to Jeffy Unboxing. Today we are doing 2 of the Boxycharm boxes, and real quick to kind of explain to you guys how this all happened, I was trying to get on the list for Boxy Luxe last month, and they told me I was waitlisted, which is fine, and I kind of wanted a little bit more of an exciting video this month, so I opened an entirely separate account and opened it with the intention of it being a skincare box, thinking we could compare it to the regular makeup box that I receive and kind of see what the difference is. But the day of billing, they took me off the wait list and sent me the Boxy Luxe. So today we're actually going to be comparing the Boxy Luxe to a skincare box from Boxycharm. And I have to say, the results are astonishing because the $25 box is actually worth more than our $50 box. So I'm excited to show you guys what is in all of this and why this little box right here is worth so much. The first item in each of our boxes is by Kylie Skincare, and this item is worth $24. It is a foaming face wash, and bottles are pretty. The next item from our Boxy Luxe is this No Pore Blem Prime Essence. And this little item has a retail value of $23, and it smells really good. I don't know, it's a weird item, but I will definitely give this a try. The next one's also a little bit weird. It's by Tula Skincare, and it is a Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. And it says you can put this on like throughout the day. I will give this one a try when I don't have makeup on. Honestly, one of my hardest things is like dark circles under my eyes, so this should be a really good product in the long term. So this next item, in my opinion, makes the entire Boxy Luxe box worth it. It is the Tarte Palette, and this little palette is worth $49. So the cost of our box is the equivalent of this one item. So there is the inside. Those colors look so good. I think I'm gonna gift this to my sister as a late birthday gift because these colors are just really her style. So this item was freaking awesome to get. Our next big item that I was excited about for this Boxy Luxe is the Swell water bottle. And the reason I was so excited is because these are kind of pricey for water bottles, but they're really good quality. And this water bottle has a retail value of $35. I personally wouldn't pay that much for a water bottle, but I'm excited to have one. Our next item is the Billion Dollar Brows Brush Set. And these are seriously some of the softest brushes I've ever felt in my entire life. I have a huge brush set, but I will probably replace them with these because they're just so soft. And these brushes have a retail value of $55. Our next item also is valued at $55, but this is the Pure Heals Sleep Mask. And it looks like it has a little bee on the corner, so that's kind of cool. Wow, it smells really good. It smells like honey. No wonder they put a bee on the cover of this. I'm excited to try this. And our last item from this box is a couple of lip pencils. This is a 2-pack, and this is worth $28. And I like that they give you 2 very different colors. So that was our first box, the Boxy Luxe, and the total value of that box comes out to $297. And the total of our regular Boxycharm is gonna come out to $301. So the first item in our regular Boxycharm was, of course, the Kylie Skincare. Then we had the Perfect Glow BB Cream by Purlisse, and that item has a retail value of $35. I did try this on last night, and I have to say, it wasn't bad, but I didn't love it. And because I have such pale skin, it's really hard to find like a good cover-up because it's hard to cover up like a red dot on your face with white paste. It's difficult. So this wasn't the best thing I've ever had, but it also, I mean, it worked a little bit. Then coming in at $24, we have the XXX Mascara. This has a really cute little bottle. I love the colors. So yeah, this was a nice item too. Then we had the First Aid Beauty Bump Eraser Body Scrub for $18 value. And this stuff I've heard works really well, but I have never personally tried it. And then our final item in this box that makes the whole box so mind-blowingly high in value is this QMS Medi Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector Lip Serum. and this little bottle has a retail value of $200. So when I signed up for Skincare Box, I honestly kind of assumed that we would have a higher value box than just a regular makeup box because skincare is just so much more expensive. But I never ever would have imagined that the items would be so high in value that it outvalues the Boxy Luxe box, which is twice the cost. So if you really want your bang for your buck with Boxycharm, sign up for the most skincare items you could possibly have in your box, and you'll probably end up with some cool items like this. Overall, this was a super good month. I really liked both boxes. It was nice to kind of see what they were both about. I just have gotten the regular box before, so I've never had the Boxy Luxe, and I've never done just a skincare box. And honestly, it was definitely worth the try. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing. It is a free way that you can help my channel grow, and hopefully I will see you guys again next time. Bye.